Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue square ABCD and the right triangle DEF put together, as you can see in this given diagram. And as a result, we are ended up with this green shaded right triangle CEF. And moreover, this diagonal DE length is 11 units. And furthermore, the area of this blue square has been given to us as 81 square units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle CEF. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And now let's focus on this blue square ABCD. We know the area of this blue square is 81 square units. And now let's recall the area of a square formula. Area is always equal to s square, where s represents the side length of the square. And in our case, the area of this square is 81. So therefore we can write side s square equals to 81. And now I'm going to undo this square on both sides. So therefore the side length lowercase s turns out to be 9. So therefore this side length of this blue square turns out to be 9, 9, 9 and 9 across the board. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle CDE. And I'm going to label this perpendicular CE length as height lowercase h. And now our task is to find the value of lowercase h. And now we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, the hypotenuse is 11, whereas our two other legs are h and 9. So therefore we can write h square plus 9 square equals to 11 square. So therefore we are going to get h square plus 81 equals to 121. And now I am going to subtract 81 from both sides. So therefore we can see this 81 and 81, this is gone. So therefore h square value simply turns out to be 40. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking square root on both sides. So therefore our height lowercase h value simply turns out to be 2 times the square root of 10. So therefore our this h value turns out to be equal to 2 times square root of 10. And now since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded triangle, and now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this green shaded triangle is this CF length, and the height is 2 times square root of 10. If we label this segment CF length as x, so therefore now our task is to find the value of x. And now let's focus on this big right triangle DEF. And now let's recall the Euclid's theorem, as you can see in this given right triangle ABC, along with this perpendicular CD that is being represented by height lowercase h. And these two other segments are being represented by x and y. Then according to the Euclid's theorem, we can write h square equals to x times y. And here we can see in this given problem, we're going to apply this Euclid theorem. We can see our height h is 2 times the square root of 10, whereas our two horizontal segment lengths are 9 and x. Therefore we can write 9 times x. I can write 9 times x is going to be equal to the square of this height, which is 2 times the square root of 10 whole square. So therefore we are ended up with the 9x equal to 40. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 9 to isolate x. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be 40 divided by 9 units. So thus this our x value turns out to be 40 divided by 9. And here's our final step. Now we can calculate the area of this green shaded triangle. And now let's recall once again the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times the height. And here the base of this green shaded triangle is 40 divided by 9. Whereas the height of this triangle is 2 times square root of 10. So therefore the area of this green shaded triangle is going to be a half times 2 times square root of 10 and then times 40 divided by 9. And here we can see 2 and 1 divided by 2, they are gone. So therefore the area of this green shaded triangle is going to be simply 40 times square root of 10 divided by 9 square units. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded triangle CEF turns out to be 40 times square root of 10 divided by 9 square units. And that is going to be approximately equal to 40.05 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.